Hi, today here's what you're going to need. In your folders, we're going to do something called Mix It, Fix It. You're going to find something that looks like this. And on the other side, when you open it up, it should have this. So you're going to take this and you're going to put it in your sleeve. You know what that means? That means you're going to need your Expo marker. Then also you're going to find something like this in your folder too. I started to cut around the outside edge and then I remembered, oh, I better wait so I can show you. So then I want you to cut around the outside edge. You can actually have an adult cut around the outside edge as well. Here, just set that aside. And then you need to cut these. And this game is Mix It, Fix It. And it's gonna go with what we did yesterday, which is taking some numbers and putting them in order from least to greatest. Now, you might be wondering, so I'm going to set the scissors aside, what you're going to put these numbers in. And parents, if you want to start with just the numbers that are less than 20, that's fine. You can pull out the bigger numbers. I'm going to start with pulling out my bigger numbers. 28, because the kindergarten standard is through 31, and we're going to be working up to that, but maybe in the beginning, you might want to keep it under 20. So I'm going to take the numbers 11 through 19, and if you don't have a brown paper bag or a lunchbox, something, you can use a hat. I'm using my husband's hat, or you can use a bowl, it doesn't really matter, but something that you know you're not going to be tempted to look at. And the directions say, pull out 3 numbers from the bag, put them in order from least to greatest, repeat it again. Later on, you might be able to try 4 numbers, but as you can see here, we can only record 3. 3 rectangles, right? So I'm going to get started. I'm going to put my bigger numbers aside. And I also got my number line 0 to 30. You can make one, or you can look one up online. I'm going to pull out a number. 18. Oh, I kind of looked. It's hard not to peek. 15. And 17. I'm going to look at these numbers and I'm going to decide which one is the littlest. I'm going to start at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and there's a 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, I'm pretty confident that that's the right order. So I'm going to write it, and I'll hold it up in a minute. I'm going to write 15, because that's the smallest, 17, and 18. And you can see where you need to put the smallest because we wrote the word smallest in little tiny, and we wrote the word largest in big print. You might also be a little bit wondering why it doesn't say 15, 16, 17. That's not the standard. The standard is I can use 3 random numbers and put them in order. So I'm going to leave this one and I'm going to put them back and I'm going to try it again. 16, 17, ooh. Oh, this hat is one slippery hat. And 12. Let's see. 12, because I'm looking and I see 12 first. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And once I get to the biggest number, I can stop. I checked it and I'm going to write it down. I'll show it to you when I get it written down. You boys and girls can write it down in your sleeve too. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The littlest number is 12. The largest number is 17. And in between comes the 16. We're going to try one more. Now, I'm feeling ready for a challenge. I'm going to put the bigger numbers in here. I hope I get the biggest one. A 2 and a 0. 20. 27. Ooh, maybe I'll get the 31. Close. 21. 2 10s, 1 1. It's my littlest number. It's 20. Here's a 20 right here. So I put that 20 in my head. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 20 is my littlest. 21 is my biggest. And 27. Oh, I goofed up. 20 is my littlest. 21 is in the middle. And 27 is the largest out of the numbers I drew. I hope you've been writing this down too. Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to erase it. I don't know where my eraser is. I'm going to use this. And I want you to do it again 3 more times. At least 3 more times. You can write it on your sleeve. Show your teacher it on Seesaw. You can even do this if it's nice outside. You can use it with chalk. You can do it outside too and write the numbers in order. However you do it, we just want to see that you've done it and that you understand the number order, and show us on Seesaw. Thanks.